Bitcoin BTC, a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, and person, group, or entity, and thus removing the need of third party involvement in financial transactions. What is a Bitcoin? Bitcoin BTC is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third party involvement in financial transaction. It is rewarded to blockchain miners for the work done to verify a transaction and can be purchased on several exchanges. Make money. Bitcoin was introduced to the public in 2009 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It has since become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has inspired the development of many other cryptocurrencies. These competitors either attempt to replace it as a payment system or used as utility or security tokens in other blockchains and emerging financial technologies. Learn more about the cryptocurrency that started it all, the history behind it, how it works, how to get it, and what it can be used for. Key takeaways: launched in uh, 2009, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unlike fiat currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, and stored using decentralization ledger system known as a blockchain. Bitcoin and its ledger are secured by proof of work consensus, which is also the mining process that introduces a new Bitcoin into the system. Bitcoin can be purchased via various cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitcoin history as a store of value has been turbulent. It has gone through several boom and bust cycles over its relatively short lifespan. As the first decentralized virtual currency to meet widespread popularity and success, Bitcoin has inspired a host of other cryptocurrency in its wake. Start earning with Adstera. In August 2008, the domain name Bitcoin organization was registered. Today, at least this domain is who is God protected, meaning the identity of the person who registered it is not public information. In October 2008, a person or group using false name Satoshi Nakamoto announced the cryptography a mailing list at mitsdow.com. I have been working on a new electronic cash system that fully peer-to-peer with no trusted third party. There is no famous white paper published on Bitcoin organization entitled Bitcoin a peer-to-peer electronic cash system would become the Magna Carta for how Bitcoin operated. Today on Jan 3rd, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined block 0. This is also known as the Genesis block and contains the text, the time 3 January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks, perhaps proof that the block was mined on or after that date, and maybe also as a relevant political commentary. Bitcoin rewarded or halved every 21000 blocks. For example, the block rewarded was 50 new Bitcoin in 2009 on my 11 2020. The third halving occurred, bring the reward for each block discovery down to 6.25 Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal places, 100 millionth of one Bitcoin, and this smallest unit is referred to as a Satoshi if necessary, and if the participating miners accept the change, Bitcoin could eventually may be made divisible to even more decimal places. Bitcoin as a form of digital currency is not too complicated to understand. For example, if you own a Bitcoin, you can use your cryptocurrency wallet to send smaller portion of that Bitcoin as payment for good or services. However, it becomes very complex when you try to understand how it works. Bitcoin blockchain technology, cryptocurrency are part of blockchain and the network required to power it. A blockchain is distributed ledger, a shared database that stores data. Data within the blockchain is secured by encryption method. When transaction take place on the blockchain, information from the previous block is copied to a new block with the new data encrypted, and the transaction is verified by validators called miners in the network. When a transaction is verified, a new block is opened and a Bitcoin is created and given as reward to miner who verified the data within the block. They are then free to use it, hold it, or sell it. Thanks for watching my videos. For more videos, subscribe my channels and like my videos.